Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to another video. This is an engulf, right? So can we have another setup inside of this engulf? Yes. This area is a good setup for entering the trade. This is a broken resistance. If the price is going to come down, I'm going to match this trend line with this broken resistance. I will take a trade right here. Okay, so now I will go two trades here. I forgot to increase this one. I will go, oh my god, look at this. Yeah, I was about to, this is a trade that so many people ask me why I take this, because you can see that this is ABC to the upside, right? So this is minor uptrend right here. We are inside of the space, but this is a very small uptrend confirmation for us. And inside of this engulf, there's a reason, right? You see these shadows, okay? This engulf is breaking those shadows. We are talking about the lower scale, okay? So we go to the lower time frame and you can see that we have a broken resistance. These are those shadows, okay? You saw at the 1 minute candle. And then it became support. And also we can add up this trend line, which didn't touch the trend line, but anyways, that was a good trade, right? And for the QM trade, the older students should very carefully listen to that, the older followers. For the QM trade, we said that we can go for the 3-minute time frame and check for engulf, okay? Let me see if I can find an example for you guys. I want a QM. All right, let's see if I can find a QM. That's very simple, guys. Okay, let's say this is a 3-minute engulf. I don't even know if there's a QM. I will just mark it to see if there is or not. This is an engulf, right? This is an engulf. I'll go to the 1 minute to see if there's any a QM setup or not. All right, let's say this is a QM setup. Okay, high, low, oh my god, high, low, high, low, low, and then this is a QM setup. Okay. Now we go to the higher time frame for the confirmation. It's not a perfect QM, but I'm just trying to get you to the point. Look at this. This is an engulf, and the setup is inside of this engulf. Okay, and about this one right here, I just took. Go to the 1 minute. I just took this trade. Okay, and I considered this one as an confirmation at the higher time frame, and my setup was in lower time frame, whatever the setup is. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's one of the advanced market structure setups. Okay, it wasn't a QM. And then I decided to take the trade inside of this QM. So it doesn't matter if you find the engulf in the 3-minute time frame or and go to the 1 minute time frame for the setup, or you find the engulf and 1 minute time frame and you go for, I don't know, 15-second time frame for the setup. The lower your time frame goes, the higher risk you are taking, and you should be very careful about that. And this engulf confirmation is only works for advanced market structures and advanced market structures setups, and QM is only one of them. Okay. Okay, so now let's just take a couple of trades. That was a question that I see some people keep asking me about. And yeah, market's just so flexible. Candlestick chart is one of the most flexible charts to take your trades on. I love candlestick charts. All right, so let's just add a couple of pairs and without wasting any time, go straight to it. Okay, by the way, before starting, I have to just mention that the mentorship today is 2nd January, and tomorrow is the day I will sign up for these students, and some of them already signed up. I just wanted to give you a head up because people wait, and after the given time, they just keep asking, oh, where's the next batch? So now I'm just informing everybody who's waiting, they can apply. All right. Let me just see. All right, I go with the buyers here for 2 trades. My entry is a little late. I should have entered right here, but you can see that this is a pattern. It's evening star ABC to the upside. Also, we broke the ABC, okay? Previously also, the price has been supported one time here, all right? And if I add one more reason, and this is an engulf, right? And this is 1 minute time frame. Look at the magic of multi-time frame analysis. Look, I can bet there's a setup inside of this engulf. Let's just go to the lower time frame. Okay, now in the in 15 seconds, you can see that the market has been coming down like that, and then boom, we broke the swing. Okay, so why we broke that? Because we decided to break, you know, at some point of this trend, we decided to break that. And this decision usually happen on the QM zone. This is the QM zone for us. And now we want to see a very precise entry. Look. Oh my God, sadly, didn't really touch the precise entry, but it just reversed from the QM level, all right? So we had enough reasons to take this. That's what I mean by taking the perfect trades. And I always encourage my students to do that, because I don't know, it doesn't matter how many times, like how many minutes you spend on the chart. At the end of the day, we're looking for making money, right? We all are looking for making money the easiest possible. So okay, I will go with 50 right here, but it's kind of risky and we have the gap down in the favor of buyers. Okay, that's why I go with 50. It's so important that try to, like, if you're taking with $100 normal trades, your high risk trades should be on $25. Okay, like this is one of the high risk trades, because this is not a very strong seller's entry, and I can say that this area in general is seller's entry, but it's not accurate. So I took with 50 instead of 200, and you can take your good trades with 200 and take your risky trades with a lot less than that, so you can make it up pretty easy. Okay, and never go for fast trades. You need to search for the perfect possible trades. Okay, we're not trying to show off something that we are so good that we can take trades so fast. Okay, we are making freaking money. The whole goal of this is being able to make money. All right, okay, I will take a 50 right here as well. You know why I did take a 50 here? If we consider this as a red green pattern, okay, now this candle is supposed to be green. All right, this candle is supposed to be green, so it becomes risky. If we were on this candle, we would take with 200 full amount. Why? Because it's a low risk, and based on the red green pattern, this candle is supposed to be a red candle. That's why it's not going to be risky anymore. But this time, the only reason for taking that is common point of rejection, and red green pattern also is not in our favor. So we go with 50 here. Let's find a good setup, guys. Okay, uptrend, minor and major uptrend. Let's see. So if you enjoy the videos, please drop a like for me, guys. It makes me happy and it helps us to grow. All right, here, if we consider this as a trend, I really want to go with the bars here, but I want to find a very good trade, guys. All right, I'm waiting for a hammer kind of candle closing somewhere here so I can take the next trade, but it seems it doesn't give me my preferred candle. All right, I'm gonna take a sell here. Okay, it's time with 200. Let's go with this. Oh my god, look at this gap down, bro. Holy, if it goes up, I will add more. This is a crazy gap down, just like this area. It's a gap down, but it depends on the strength of this seller's entry. It seems pretty strong. All right, if I draw this, this is the seller's area, and this is the third time that the price is reaching to this area. Usually the third touches are super strong because the first touch happens, the second touch is not very sure, it's 50-50, but the third touch, every person that previously sees these opportunities, like these in this area, people look at this and see that previous two times this happened. So the third time is the strongest one. And that was the last trade, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me. And for the mentorship, again, I'm sorry for just mentioning again, you can just join the Telegram channel. I share my students' results and some of the live trades. You can check it yourself. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.